Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been almost a year since I last uploaded, but this time I'm back for the real. I'm going to stay consistent and I will focus on the quality content. And with your support, we will finally reach to the monetization of this channel. I have been working on this channel for the past 3 to 4 years. I've uploaded more than 300 videos, but honestly, I never got the kind of the response that I was hoping for. In the beginning, even I asked some popular YouTubers for their advice. They told me the reason that it might be because my videos didn't have the voiceover and people don't connect much with the videos without a voice. So I tried making content with the voiceover as well, with the voice, but that didn't work as well, and still the channel didn't grow the way that I wanted it to. Some people said that it was because I was only posting about one software, but deep down I knew that it wasn't the full reason. Like, I knew that there's something missing, and a few things that I knew that was missing: the consistency, the quality, and furthermore things. But this time we will improve that. I used to think that I need better equipment, more resources, or a perfect setup to improve my channel. But now I realize that I could have done it with what I already had: the consistency and the creativity. So this time I am starting fresh. I am going to make new videos with new topic, and also I will cover some of your old queries as well. So I will make sure that every upload has better quality and real value for you with consistency as well. So let's make this journey count. Help me grow this channel, and together let's finally reach the monetization. This time I'm more focused, more confident, and definitely more hopeful.